Good evening, friends, family, and comrades. So today we're going to be doing a raffle for the money, but this is actually just going to be a test to start. So we're going to see how it works. Make sure there's no glitches and bugs in my technique on how we're going to find some winners for these items that we're going to be raffling off. So I got the list here. We're going to be using random.org. So basically, we'd roll some dice through random.org right around here, and then that will generate 2 dice, and at that point we would decide, how many times we're going to randomize. So this is the list right here. I'm not going to put any names in here to start. I'm just going to do numbers, just because I don't want anybody saying anything, because this is just a test. So. Okay, so say if it was going to be randomized 5 times, and A was here, B, C, so on and so forth. Alright, so we're going to randomize, let's say 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at that time, so it would have been spot 10 who would have won. They were the first ones. This would be spot 10 that won. At that point in time, we'd go back. I would show you guys the time on this right here, which is 8:04. I'm sorry, not 8:04. Let's see. I guess that time's wrong. Oh, 4:53. Okay, right there. 4:53. So that's when I started it. But yeah, we'd get a time, look at our Facebook, and we'd go from there. And I would comment. We could look at the time and everything, make sure everything's legit, and then I'll post this video to YouTube, and you guys can watch it and see who the winner is. And once we establish a winner, please don't let anybody know, because we want everybody to watch the video. So as soon as you see the video, just say "seen" or "congrats" or anything like that. No negativity, please. All right, thank you.